8 years ago, I was fat, sick, and miserable, eating toxic food, popping pills, and feeling like garbage all the time. After I decided to get healthy, the gym went from a chore to an enjoyable ritual, until COVID hit and they all closed in 2020. That's when I started pedaling again. First 5 miles, then 10, then 20. Lots of breaks in the beginning, but the more I rode, the farther and the faster I could go. Before long, it was more fun than work. Now my happy place is cycling through the countryside. The more remote, the better. With my 57th birthday coming up, my girl agreed to a challenge. 57 miles in one day with no preseason training. The weather was divine, the scenery was amazing, and the miles just flew by. We made it 60 miles that day, and it was exhilarating and rewarding.